at first time I look at the office system by Enduro, which used by my friend. And then I found the design is very unique. Actually, we also have office system supplier in Malaysia, but we couldn't find the design like Enduro. Then this is one thing that we decided to choose Enduro. Second thing, the quality. Because my friend has been using it for so many years. Again, the quality is still so good. So that's the reason why, the two main reasons we choose Enduro, the design and quality. After we bought the system from Enduro, what so impressed us is the service. The company sent two professional technicians to our office to build up the system, and that is really impressed us. All the way from Indonesia to set up the office system, and they are very professional. We are very happy with the service from Enduro.